So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So this is the continuation of the previous video. It's a night view of the new dash cam that I have purchased. If you want to see the daylight footage of this camera, please click on the I link button above and you can see that. So guys, it's 5 a.m. in the morning right now and I'm going towards Kinnaur for a trip. Soon I will be updating that vlog too. So stay tuned to the channel. So So guys, you can see the clarity in the night time is also great. Everything is clearly visible. But the thing that I noticed is that the white is that it's showing white light. I don't know why it's showing like this because I have the stock lights in my car. That is the yellow halogen and the yellow projector lights. So the lights are yellow in color, but I don't know why it's showing as white. But still, it looks so cool. So please watch at the rest of the video and you decide how is the clarity in the night time. So enjoy the video. So guys, overall I really like the performance of the camera. So if you have any doubts regarding this dash cam, please let me know in the comments. I'll make sure to clear all your doubts. Thanks for watching.